Welcome to the e-commerce arena where the world of e-commerce is booming. Two giants dominate the playing field, Shopify and GoDaddy. Both offer powerful tools to build online stores, but which one comes out on top? Let's dive in and find out. Choosing the right platform is crucial for success. Your online store is your business's heart. The right platform will empower you to grow and thrive, while the wrong one can hold you back. Shopify has taken the e-commerce world by storm. Millions of businesses trust Shopify to power their online stores. Its growth is a testament to its quality and user-friendliness. Shopify boasts a massive market share in the e-commerce platform industry. Its user satisfaction rates are consistently high. Entrepreneurs praise Shopify for its intuitive interface and robust features. It's a platform designed for growth and scalability. In this features face-off between Shopify and GoDaddy, both platforms offer a range of features for online stores, catering to different business needs and preferences. Shopify is known for its extensive app store, providing access to thousands of tools and integrations, which can significantly enhance the functionality of your online store. This allows businesses to customize their stores to their exact needs, ensuring a unique shopping experience for their customers. On the other hand, GoDaddy offers a more streamlined approach, making it easier for beginners to set up their online stores quickly. Shopify excels in ease of use with its drag-and-drop interface, making designing a store simple and intuitive, even for those with no technical skills. GoDaddy's interface, while functional, can feel less intuitive at times, which might require a bit of a learning curve for new users. When it comes to sales features, Shopify again takes the lead, offering advanced features like abandoned cart recovery, which helps in converting potential sales that might otherwise be lost. Whereas GoDaddy's sales features are more basic, providing essential tools but lacking some of the advanced functionalities that Shopify offers. In this section, we delve into the value for your money, exploring how different platforms stack up in terms of cost and benefits. Shopify offers a range of pricing plans tailored to meet various needs, starting with a basic plan that's quite affordable for startups. This makes it an attractive option for new businesses looking to establish an online presence without breaking the bank. As your business expands, you have the option to upgrade and tap into more advanced features. These features can help streamline operations, improve customer experience, and ultimately drive more sales. On the other hand, GoDaddy's pricing is indeed competitive, yet its lower-tier plans might lack some of the features that Shopify provides. This could be a significant drawback for businesses that need more robust tools as they grow. When considering value, it's crucial to look beyond just the price tag. The true value lies in the features, support, and scalability that the platform offers. Shopify's robust features, ease of use, and extensive app store make it a worthwhile investment. The platform's flexibility allows you to customize your store to meet your specific needs. While GoDaddy's affordability may seem tempting at first, its limitations could end up costing you more in the long run. Investing in a platform that grows with your business can save you time, money, and effort down the line. Now let's reach a conclusion. Which platform reigns supreme in the world of e-commerce? For serious entrepreneurs, Shopify is the clear winner. It offers powerful features, an intuitive interface, and a vast app store filled with various business tools, all of which empower businesses to thrive and scale efficiently. While GoDaddy is a viable option for those on a tight budget or those needing just a simple online presence to get started, its limitations may hinder growth and scalability in the long run. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs and goals. Consider what you want to achieve. You should carefully consider your budget, technical skills, and long-term vision for your business. Choose the platform that will best support your e-commerce journey and help you reach your business objectives.